Hello everyone. Now we are going to discuss properties of triangles, short answer questions. Okay. In that one, the question is like this. If A is equal to B minus C into secant theta, then prove that tan theta is equals to 2 root BC by B minus C into sin A by 2. And the second question is also same model. A is equal to B plus C into cos theta, then prove that sin theta is equal to 2 root BC by B plus C into cos A by 2. Third question is also same thing. Sin theta is equals to A by B plus C. He is asking to prove cos theta is equal to 2 root BC by B plus C into cos A by 2. All these are same model. I will tell one question. Remaining two questions you can do as homework. Okay. Right. Now coming to the question number 1 solution. First question solution I am writing. Okay. First bit. So here the question is given by like this. A is equal to B minus C into secant theta. Okay. So here I am taking secant theta is a subject. So secant theta is equals to A by B minus C. Okay. So here I am taking squaring on both sides. In this condition I am getting secant square theta is equal to A square by B minus C whole square. A square by B minus C whole square. Okay. Come now. So here we have one identity. That identity is secant square theta minus tan square theta is equals to 1. Implies if you take tan theta as subject, tan square theta can be written as secant square theta minus 1. Right. So here substitute secant square theta here. Okay. So here tan square theta is equals to secant square is there. Here that one I am writing it as A square by B minus C whole square minus 1. Now take here LCM. This can be written as A square minus of B minus C whole square by B minus C whole square. Okay. Now this is there in the form of A square minus B square Cartesian. Here this can be written as A minus B into A plus B. So A minus of B minus C. I am taking here A minus B into next condition A plus B. In the sense A plus of B minus C by denominator I am writing as it is, that is B minus C whole square. So this is equals to minus B plus C. So here this is nothing but A minus B plus C. That is our first bracket. And coming to the second bracket, A plus B minus C. A plus B minus C by B minus C whole square. B minus C whole square. This is equals to, here add and subtract B, because here minus B is there. So to get A plus B plus C, add and subtract B. So here I am taking A plus B plus C minus 2B. And here minus is there. Here add and subtract C. So here A plus B plus C minus 2C. Okay. By denominator no change as it is. B minus C whole square. This is equals to, here by the formula, this A plus B plus C can be written as 2S. Again this A plus B plus C can be written as 2S. Okay. So now I am writing 2S minus 2B into 2S minus 2C by B minus C whole square. This is equals to, right, this is equals to, here I can write, or I can take common 2 from first bracket and second bracket. That will become 4 into S minus B into S minus C by B minus C whole square is equals to, here for this condition to get answer, multiply and divide by BC. BC by b minus c whole square into next value is s minus b into s minus c by bc. Okay now. So here in the question he is asking to take sine a by 2. So here left side square is there. So I am writing it as tan theta is equals to under root 4bc by b minus c whole square into separate root I am writing root s minus b into s minus c by bc. Okay, so here this is equal to root 4 is nothing but 2 root bc by square root will get cancelled. Here we can write it as b minus c, and this is the formula for sine a by 2. This is the formula for sine a by 2. So here in the question he is asking to prove tan theta is equals to, in the question he is asking to prove tan theta is equals to 2 root bc by b minus c whole square, 2 root bc by b minus c into sine a by 2. This only he is asking to show in the question. Okay na? So 2 root bc by b minus c into sine a by 2. So similar a and b as a homework. Make this as a homework. This one is a homework and this one is also homework based on that same model. Okay, right. So check once this question. Right. Now go for next question. Here the question is, he is asking to show this condition we need to show. Okay, prove that or show that. This is what, prove that. Right. So cot a plus cot b plus cot c is equal to a square plus b square plus c square by 4 delta. This one we need to show. Okay na? So here I am taking solution for this. Now, so here I am taking LHS. So this one I am writing it as summation cot a. So this is equals to summation cot can be written by cos a by sin a. By cosine rule, cos a can be written as b square plus c square minus a square by 2bc. This is the formula for cosine rule. By sin a as it is. This is equals to, I can take this 2bc as in denominator, summation b square plus c square minus a square by 2 times of bc sin a. 2 times of bc sin a. Here actually we have the formula delta is equal to half bc sin a. Delta is equal to half bc sin a. We can cross multiply 2 here. In that condition I can write it as 2 delta, that is equal to bc sin a. bc sin a. Here I can replace here 2 delta value as bc sin a, right? So now coming, this is equals to summation b square plus c square minus a square by bc sin a. I can replace here as 2 delta. So 2 into 2 delta, that goes to 4 delta. Now expand summation. So b square plus c square minus a square. So this minus goes to second term here b. A square minus b square plus c square. Minus goes to term c. So that is what, b square plus a square minus c square. So entire denominator is 4 delta. Denominator is 4 delta. So here we can cancel the similar terms. Minus a square plus a square we can cancel. Minus b square plus b square we can cancel. Right. Next to here plus c square and minus c square we can cancel. Here leftover values are b square plus c square plus a square. So here final answer is a square plus b square plus c square by 4 delta. Okay na? So this is the answer for this question. Okay, now go for next question. Right, so here the question is cos A by A plus cos B by B plus cos C by C is equals to A square plus B square plus C square by 2ABC. This one we need to show here. Okay, so here first, before going to start, I need to write formulas. So here I am writing cosine rule formula cos A. Cos A formula is B square plus C square minus A square by 2BC. Similarly, I can write cos B, and similarly I can write it as cos A. So here coming to the solution, proof or solution. So here I am writing summation cos A by A. Here why I am writing summation in the sense, the summation goes to for angle A and for angle B, for angle C. For all the three I am writing one summation and one function. Okay now, right. This is equals to summation cos A. By using cosine rule, I can write cos A as B square plus C square minus A square by 2BC. That only I am writing here. So B square plus C square minus A square by 2BC by denominator as in A. Okay, this is equals to, this 2BC will come downside, summation B square plus C square minus A square by 2ABC. So here summation is there. I can expand this summation B square plus C square minus A square by 2ABC for first function. Second function B square plus C square or minus B square plus C square plus A square by 2ABC is there in second function. And third function is A square plus B square minus C square by 2ABC. In all the three conditions, 2ABC as in common, numerator added. So in that condition, plus and minus sign will get cancelled out, and the leftover value is A square plus B square plus C square by 2ABC. Simple answer this one, and the easiest one if you remember the cosine rule formula. Okay na? Right. Now go for next question. Right. Here the question is 1 by r1 square plus 1 by r square plus 1 by r1 square plus 1 by r2 square plus 1 by r3 square is equal to A square plus B square plus C square by delta square. So here we need to remember the formulas. First formula, small r is equal to delta by S, and R1 formula delta by S minus A, and R2 formula delta by S minus B, and R3 formula delta by S minus C. Here we need to write the formulas here, okay, to get that solution. Now coming to the solution, I am writing solution. First taking LHS, 1 by r square plus 1 by r1 square plus 1 by r2 square plus 1 by r3 square. Okay now, is equal to 1 by r goes to S by delta. So here I am writing it as S square by delta square plus r1 S minus delta by S minus A. Here reciprocal is there. So S minus A whole square by delta square plus S minus B whole square by delta square, and the third one S minus C whole square by delta square. In all the cases, delta square is the LCM. In all the cases, delta square is our LCM. So first value S square plus second value I can expand S minus A whole square. So that is S square minus 2AS plus A square. Okay, plus S minus B whole square, S square minus 2BS plus B square, and the third value S square minus 2CS plus C square. Okay, so here I can add the similar values S square plus S square plus S square plus S square. Okay, here I have 4 S square functions, so I am writing 4 S square. Okay now, so this is equals to 4 S square minus, I can take common 2S. If you take 2S here, you will get a plus b plus c. Here 1a, b, and here 1c. Right? A plus b plus c here I got. Next to here leftover value, that is a square plus b square plus c square. By denominator, there is no change in denominator. Directly I can write it as delta square. So here by the known result of the perimeter, a plus b plus c can be written as 2s. This function can be written as 2s. Okay now. So here I need to replace 2s. That is nothing but 4s square. 2s into 2s, that also will goes to 4s square plus leftover value a square plus b square plus c square by delta square. Here I can cancel similar values. 4s square and minus 4s square will get cancelled. Leftover value is our answer. So here what is the leftover value? Is equal to a square plus b square plus c square root by delta square. This is our answer. Okay. Alright. Go for next question. Yes. So here a condition is given by show that cos a plus cos b plus cos c is equals to 1 plus small r by capital R. For this we need solution. So here already we remembered formula for small r. So small r formula is 4r cos small r formula 4r sin a by 2 sin b by 2 sin c by 2. This formula here we need to remember. And one more condition we need to remember here. By the transformation, we can remember cos a plus cos b plus cos c is equal to 1 plus 4 sin a by 2 sin b by 2 sin c by 2. Okay now. So here instead of this cos a plus cos b plus cos c, direct I can write this value. If it is that question is in 7 marks, you need to take proof of this. In the sense, you need to write proof of this cos a plus cos b plus cos c. If it is there in 4 mark, you can write direct like this. Okay now. Right. So here I am taking cos a plus cos b plus cos c is equal to, direct I am writing here 1 plus 4 sin a by 2 sin b by 2 sin c by 2. For this condition, what I am doing here, multiplying dividing with capital R. Multiplying dividing with capital R. So this can be written as 1 plus 4r sin a by 2 sin b by 2 sin c by 2 by capital R. So here by the small r formula, numerator is replaced with as small r. So this is equal to 1 plus small r by capital R. This is the answer he is asking to prove. Okay. If this question is there in 7 marks, you need to write proof of this question also. In the sense, right now here we have taken it as a formula. So if the question is there in 7 marks, you need to write the proof for this also. Okay. Right. This is the answer for this. Here the question is, in triangle ABC, 1 by a plus c plus 1 by b plus c is equal to 3 by a plus b plus c. He is asking to show that C, angle C is equal to 60 degrees. So here proof of this question. First given value I am writing 1 by a plus c plus 1 by b plus c is equals to 3 by a plus b plus c. Now here taking LCM. So here I am getting it as a plus c plus b plus c. Here this function here, this function is here, by a plus c into b plus c is equals to 3 by a plus b plus c. Okay. Here we are doing cross multiplication. If you take cross multiplication here, a plus b plus 2c is there in left side part. A plus b plus 2c into cross multiplied part here a plus b plus c. In the sense, this function will come here this side, this function will go this side. So this is equals to 3 times of a plus c into b plus c. Okay now. So here implies multiply. Here we need to multiply a versus a, that is goes to a square, right, plus ab plus ac, right. After finished a, now go for b. ba here plus ba plus b square plus bc. After b finished, next to write here c term. So that is nothing but 2ca plus 2cb or bc plus 2c square. This is in LHS condition. And coming here RHS, 3 times of multiply here ab plus ac, again plus bc plus c square. Okay, so here ab plus ba, that is 2ab. Here 1 3ab is there, or bring one side everything. Here leftover condition goes to a square plus b square plus 2c square plus 2c square. Here from right side to bring left side 3c minus 3c square. That will become it as minus c square. Okay, here ac plus 2ac 3ac, here 1 3ac will get cancelled. 2bc plus 1bc 3bc, here 3bc will get cancelled. Leftover value is equals to 3ab minus 2ab. This is there in right side part. Implies by cosine rule I can replace this function as 2ab cos c by cosine rule. So here I am writing 2ab cos c is equal to 3ab minus 2ab will goes to ab. So here I can cancel ab and ab on both sides. Okay, so now here leftover value is 2 times of cos c is equals to 1. Implies cos c is equals to 1 by 2. In terms of cos angle, 1 by 2 can be written as cos 60. Here we can write this cos and this cos by cancellation. So c is equals to 60 degrees. This only he is asking to prove. Okay na? Right. This question is also most important one. You need to check once it again. Right. Next question. Here the question is also same thing. If you take c value as 60 degrees, you need to show this a by b plus c plus b by c plus a is equal to 1. And second condition is b by c square minus a square plus a by c square minus b square is equals to 0. So here I will show one and remaining second question will goes to homework. Okay, right. Now I am taking first question solution. First bit. So here I am taking a by b plus c plus b by c plus a is equals to 1. So here what I am doing, cross multiplying by taking LCM. Okay, so here b into b plus c, b into b plus c plus a into c plus a into c plus a is equals to cross multiply denominator part b plus c into c plus a. Okay now, so here implies multiply b, here b into b, that goes to b square plus bc. Next here ac, right, plus a square is equal to here bc, right, plus ab, next plus c square plus ac. Now here we can cancel the similar terms. 1 ac, here 1 ac will get cancelled, right, and bc is also cancelled. So right, next leftover value here plus c square ab is there in right side, bring only c square to left side direction. Implies b square plus a square minus c square is equals to ab. So here by cosine rule I can replace this as 2ab cos c, right, implies 2ab cos c is equals to leftover value ab. Now here I can cancel similar functions ab and ab here I can cancel. So after cancelling these conditions I am getting that value implies 2 times of cos c is equals to 1 implies c is equals to cos inverse of 1 by 2, that is nothing but 60 degrees. This is the answer, and similar model you need to try second question as in homework. Okay, right. So here in the question he is asking, in triangle ABC, A is equal to B cos C plus C cos B. For this question we have one more name, it is projection rule. This rule is also called it as what? Projection rule. Sometimes he may ask in the exam state and prove projection rule. So we need to write here projection rules, we have 3. So in that one condition is this only, right? After that we can write 2 and solve exam anyone. Okay, right. Solution. Here I am taking RHS part, B times of cos C plus C times of cos B. Here I am taking which part? RHS part here I am taking. So here I have cosine rule. What is cosine rule formula? Cos A formula is B square plus C square minus A square by 2BC. Okay, and cos B formula is C square plus A square minus B square by 2AC. Okay, so here I am writing those two formulas here. This is equal to B into cos C. Right, here I need to write one more formula which is cos C. Cos C is equal to A square plus B square minus C square by 2AB. Okay, here I need to use cos C formula. What is the cos C formula? A square plus B square minus C square by 2AB plus C into cos B. Here I have the formula of cos B, that is nothing but A square plus C square minus B square by 2AC. So here what I can do in the sense, I can cancel similar terms, B and B here cancel, C and C here I can cancel. Remaining left over 2A as in LCM. So here by 2A, numerator should be added. So A square plus B square minus C square plus A square plus C square minus B square. Okay, now. So here I can cancel the similar values, plus and minus symbols will. So minus C square plus C square cancel, plus B square minus B square here cancel. Here leftover value is 2A square by 2A. Here I can cancel 2 and 2 and I can cancel A and A. So that is equals to A. This is our LHS. So this is the projection rule. Okay, right. Now go for next question. Right. Here this one we can take it as a formula of tangent rule. This is the formula of tangent rule. Sometimes in the exam he may ask like this also, state and prove tangent rule. In that condition we need to write this condition and proof. Okay, now right now here I am taking proof or solution. So here I am taking the value of B minus C by B plus C. Here we know the formula of sine rule. So here sine rule formula is B is equal to 2R sine B. Okay, and C is equal to 2R sine C. And small a is equal to 2r sine A. These are the formulas for sine rule. Okay, here I am writing B value. B value is how much? 2r sine B. So here 2r sine B minus 2r sine C, right, by B. Again I can write it as 2r sine B plus 2r sine C. Here what I can do here, I can take common 2r in the numerator, I can take common 2r in the denominator, I can cancel direct. So leftover values only here I am writing sine B minus sine C by sine B plus sine C, right. So here we have the formula sine C minus sine B. Sine C minus sine D. Sine C minus sine D formula is 2 cos C plus D by 2 into sine C minus D by 2. And the next formula is sine C plus sine D. Sine C plus sine D. Sine C plus sine D formula is 2 sine C plus D by 2 into cos C minus D by 2. Cos C minus D by 2. So here I can apply those formula 2 cos B plus C by 2 into sine B minus C by 2, right, by sine B plus sine C. I can write it as sine of B plus C by 2 sine of B plus C by 2 into cos of B minus C by 2. So here I can cancel similar terms. The similar term goes to 2 and 2. Here this will be cancelled out. Cos by sine is cot. Cos by sine is cot. So this is equals to cot of B plus C by 2. Cot of B plus C by 2 into sine B minus C by 2 by cos B minus C by 2 is there. That can be written as tan of B minus C by 2. Tan of B minus C by 2. So in transformation we have, since cot of B plus C by 2 can be written as tan A by 2. Tan A by 2. So here this is replaced with tan A by 2. So this is equals to tan A by 2 into tan of B minus C by 2. Here left side, right side multiplier, left side denominator. In the sense, here I can write it as B minus C by B plus C into 1 by tan. 1 by tan can goes to cot is equals to tan of B minus C by 2. This rule is called it as what? Tangent rule. That rule is called it as what? Tangent rule. So that is the answer for this question. Okay, now go for next question. Our actual question is B minus C whole square into cos square A by 2 plus B plus C whole square into sin square A by 2. This is our actual question, is equals to A square. This one we need to show. Okay, right. Solution. So here I can expand B minus C whole square formula. B square minus 2BC plus C square into cos square A by 2 plus I can expand B plus C whole square also here. B square plus 2BC plus C square into sin square A by 2, right. So here this one I am splitting it as like this, b square plus c square into cos square a by 2 minus 2bc into cos square a by 2. Here this also I can split like this, b square plus c square into sin square a by 2 plus 2bc into sin square a by 2. So here I can take a common b square plus c square, b square plus c square. Here one cos square a by 2 is there and plus symbol with the sin square a by 2 is there here. So I am writing it as in formula sin square a by 2 plus cos square a by 2. And here the remaining conditions I can take a common 2bc. Here I am taking common minus 2bc. If you take minus 2bc as in common, cos square a by 2 minus sin square a by 2. So here by the identity I have this value as 1. So is equals to b square plus c square into 1 minus 2bc into, this is the formula for cos A. So 2bc into cos A. So this is equals to b square plus c square, okay, minus 2bc cos A. This is the formula for A square. By which formula? Cosine rule. B square plus c square minus 2bc cos A is equals to A square. The question is, he is asking to show A square cot A plus B square cot B plus C square cot C is equal to ABC by R. So here I have the formula A, small a is equal to, by sine rule, 2R sin A. Okay. Similarly, I can write B is equal to 2R sin B and C is equal to 2R sin C. Right. So here I am taking LHS part. I am taking LHS part. So LHS part I am writing it as A square cot A plus B square cot B plus C square cot C. Cot can be written by cos by sin. Okay now. So here A square. A value 2R sin A square is 4R square sin square A into cot A can be written by cos A by sin A plus B value is nothing but same 2R sin B, that is 4R square sin square B, and cot B can be written by cos B by sin B plus C. C is nothing but 2R sin C, that can be written as 4R square sin square C into cot C is nothing but cos C by sin C. Here I can cancel similar terms. Okay. Here sin square is there. Here one sin cancel. Sin square one sin is cancel. Sin square one sin is cancel. Leftover value I can write. So this is equals to, I am writing it as 2R square into 2 sin A cos A. Here one sin square A, one sin is cancelled, leftover sin is there. Sin A cos A I am writing it as a pair. Plus 2R square, same here also, 2 sin B cos B. Plus, again here also I can write it as 2R square into 2 sin C cos C. So here 2 sin A cos A is sin to A, 2 sin B cos A is sin to B, 2 sin C cos A is sin to C. Here that only I am writing. So entirely I can take common 2R square. So I am writing that value sin 2A plus sin 2B plus sin 2C. So by transformation I have the formula sin 2A plus sin 2B plus sin 2C is 4 sin A sin B sin C. This value is how much? 4 sin A sin B sin C is equal to 2r square into 4 sin A 4 sin A sin B sin C. Here to get answer I am doing multiply and dividing with r. 4 2s are 8. 8r square is there. 8r square into r 8r cube. That 8r cube I am writing it as 2r sin A one pair and second pair is 2r sin B. This is there in second pair and third pair is 2r sin C by capital R. So here 2r sin A is A, 2r sin B is B, 2r sin C is C. So here I can write it as A, B, C by capital R. That is the answer he is asking to show. Okay, na? Right.